Hello everyone, it's Mark here. Thanks for coming along on our camping trip at Lake Wenatchee State Park. It's been fun, but now we've got to pack up and leave. But not without getting a drone flight or two in along the way. We found this creek right outside of the camping area. It's called Nason Creek. It feeds right into the Wenatchee River. And I got a little bit of interesting shots here. It's just forest and a nice little creek. But where we really want to stop is at the Wenatchee River. And this is it here. It's got some whitewater rapids, which are pretty exciting. The risk of losing the drone over whitewater rapids is what makes it exciting, because you know you'll never see it again if you lose it in the drink. But this area attracts lots of kayakers and white river rafters. It sure makes for a beautiful shot. You can see the size of the car and the size of the river and the rapids there, how powerful that current must be. So now we're coming through the town of Leavenworth. Now, Leavenworth used to be an old lumber community. It had the second largest sawmill in the state of Washington. But in the 1950s, it was closed, and the lumber industry declined, and so did the population of the town. And so they had to find a way to revitalize it. So they looked to tourism, and they turned the town into a Bavarian village, an old-style German-looking village. And it sits in the mountains, so it kind of makes you have the feeling like you're in the Alps. And the architecture and everything just, it's like visiting old German Bavaria without leaving the state of Washington. Now there's the Wenatchee River. There it's much more peaceful, as you can see, as it flows through the town of Leavenworth. And I found a park where no one was around and was able to get that drone shot. Now, this is the City Hall and Library, I believe. Have some nice rose gardens in front. And anyway, the people of the town of Leavenworth looked for a way to revitalize the town, so they organized this committee and decided to give it this Bavarian theme. And I think it was a good idea. It attracts lots of tourists during all 4 seasons of the year. Especially at Christmas time, this becomes a fantastic winter wonderland. And we're here earlier in the morning before most people have left their hotel rooms, so we get to see the architecture and everything without anyone else being around. And we're now at Parsley's Pantry, where we're going to get some breakfast before making the like 3-hour trip home. Gotta get home and truck down the road, make a living. Well, thanks for joining me. Well, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for coming along, and God bless.